welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Today, I am here with a new addition to my channel. So I thought I'd do a little series called Cocktails with Nawni. So I was thinking about just different things that I'm interested in and things that I have access to. I showed in a previous vlog that we own a liquor store, and so I thought it would be fun to just try new cocktails. My favorite liquor is tequila. I don't really drink anything other than that besides wine and champagne. So I have like a favorite red wine, a favorite white wine, and then, you know, my favorite champagnes, and I pretty much stick to that. So I thought this would also be a way for me to try things that I wouldn't really try. So today's drink is a Christmas margarita. So of course I have to go in first with my tequila based drink. So I've been seeing this making the rounds across social media, people doing just various variations of margaritas, Grinch margaritas, Christmas margaritas, and things like that. So I thought I'd give a try at a Christmas margarita and share that recipe with you guys in case you want to try it. The recipe calls for a silver tequila. So I have this single estate tequila ocho. So that will be the tequila that we use. The recipe actually doesn't call for an orange liqueur, but that's what I like in my margaritas. So I'm gonna add in this Grand Marnier because I always think that that gives margaritas a good taste. And then it calls for a white cranberry juice, so we're gonna add that in there. And then it also calls for some fresh lime juice, so I'm gonna squeeze these limes and then we'll get our recipe going. Let's get into making the drink. So I have my trusty shaker here. I'm gonna be pouring everything into that. It's got a little bit of ice in there. So the first thing I wanna do is I'm gonna cut up and squeeze 2 limes. So I set aside a slice because I'm gonna use that to rim my glass and then dip it in the salt, which is on that plate. First, I'm gonna squeeze the remaining limes into my shaker. The recipe that I found called for garnishing with cranberries, but I couldn't find them at my grocery store. They actually said that they were sold out, so I will be garnishing with a lime. I'm deviating from the recipe that I found just because it was to make 5 drinks and I only want to make 1. So I'm just gonna make up my own measurements. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. I'm gonna do about 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. And I will do another 1.5 ounces of the white cranberry. So if you like your drink sweeter, you can add in agave, triple sec, or you can make a simple syrup. I don't like additional sugars. I try to keep it, as low calorie as I can. I'm just going in with the alcohol and then some juice. So it might be strong based on your preference. Do what you need to do. Let's shake it up. Nice and cold. And then, like I mentioned, I'm gonna rim my glass with the lime. Like salt with my margaritas. Some people prefer sugar, whichever one you like. Then we're gonna pour it up. And still got a little bit left over. And I can take this lime and garnish it. And that, my friends, is my version of the Christmas margarita. Let's give it a try. That's actually really good. Better than I thought it was gonna be. So it's perfect for me. But like I said, depending on your preference, make certain adjustments based on how you like your drinks. But I really like that. Cheers. Happy holidays. Wishing everyone a wonderful holiday season. Enjoy your drinks. And this is my first video for Cocktails with Nawni. So make sure to come back again for our next drink. And I will see you soon. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.